What is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. Today, in this video, I want to show you guys how you can take this boring countdown timer inside of Kajabi and make it into something like this, or this with some custom CSS. Everything inside of the countdown timer of the CSS that I'll be sharing is customizable. You can change the background color, you can change the text color, and you can also change the number color if you want to make it fit with your branding. So this is going to be countdown timer 1, this is going to be countdown timer 2, and this is going to be countdown timer 3. Okay, I'll be pasting the code in the description based on the numbers. So let me just bring up the code for countdown timer 1. So this is countdown timer 1. I'm going to simply copy the code and you can just paste it right over here. Once you do that, uh, click on the save button, and that's going to save. Apply the countdown timer settings, apply the CSS to the page, and as you can see, the CSS has been applied. Now if I want to change the background of this countdown timer, I've written a comment over here. Okay, it goes here. The comment is something like here: background color of the circle. Now if I want to change the background color to, let's say, red, I can simply remove the hexadecimal, the color code over here, and make it and type in, for instance, I can just type red if I want to, or if I have the color code, I can add the color code right over here with the pound sign. Okay, after I click on that, as you can see, it's changed to red. Now if I want to make it, let's say, purple, so let me just grab the color code for blue. I'm gonna try making it blue, so let me just try the color code for blue, and over here with the pound sign, I'm just gonna add the color code. Okay, make sure that the semicolon doesn't, you don't mistakenly delete the semicolon. Now I'll make it blue. Wait for it. There you go. Now let's say I want to change the color of the number. Then just click on the countdown timer, and here you can change the number color. So let's say I want to make it green. I can do that. Let's just try white. And if I want to change the label color as well, I can change the label color. So let's just try making the label color as the blue. Now this is not natively possible in Kajabi, but you can with my codes. Now let's try and see how countdown timer 2 looks like. So I'm going to copy the code and go inside of the code settings, custom code. I'm going to paste the code right over here. I'm going to click on save and see what happens. I call this as template 2. Now you could, let's say I want to change the background color of this to from black to, let's say, gray. So let me just grab the color code for gray, or let's just try gray for now. Okay, since I don't have much colors over here. Even over here, I've written a comment, a CSS comment, which is background color of the circle. So just replace the the characters from here and type in the color code. Okay, so the color code is starts with a hash or a pound, or you can also have RGBA colors over here. So you can look for RGBA color if you want to. That means, as you can see, it's now red. It's now gray. Okay, now let's just try countdown timer 3. This is going to be countdown timer 3. I'm gonna delete everything from here and paste it and click on save. Now countdown timer 3 is a bit different, so wait for it. There you go. So this is countdown timer 3. Now if you want, also you can change the background color of this thing to whatever um whatever you like. Okay, I think I mistake. Okay, so this is actually so this is actually countdown timer 3. This is actually countdown timer 2 or countdown timer 1. You can figure this out and you can just play around with everything and see what the order is. You can also change, again, like, you can change the color code of each of the elements inside of the countdown timer. Thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next video.